And today we are going to be doing a Goddess Provisions unboxing, which has lots of spiritual tools. And let's get into about this box. Okay, now this box is Goddess Provisions is a month-to-month subscription, and it is only $33 US a month. Now you'll often get in here crystals and ritual tools, self-care, altar adornments, sacred space decor, and divination tools, jewelry, spiritual books. You get it, picture. They provide a wide variety of products that they promise, and all of them are vegan and cruelty-free items. You will get 5 to 7 items in each box, which I think that's a pretty good size amount. And so far, Goddess Provisions has been a pretty good box. That's why, I did pause and not get them for a while, but it was mainly because I wasn't sure if I really wanted to continue getting so many boxes or what I wanted, but you know what? I'm glad I'm continuing because I've been getting some wonderful items, which you can see in some of my other unboxing videos. So let's get into what's inside this box. All right, let's see here. So here's the box. You open it up. This is usually on the bottom, but I did pull this and put this on top. I really haven't checked to see everything that's in here, but you see, it's really cute box, right? Now they always give you a nice card with beautiful imagery. It looks like Goddess Isis is what the focus is going to be. And yep, Isis wisdom, the monthly mantra. It says here, I am guided and protected by the divine. And it tells you all about the items, and it talks about how they planted trees for every box sold, and how they recycle, and they have a monthly giveaway and a referral program. It has all, it's really cute. And you also get a digital like book or app that they always offer in the box, and they give you access to it in here. Okay, but let's get inside. And the first thing on top of here is the Isis Ascension Wings Sacred Metal Alchemy Brass, Silver, Gold Enamel Coated. Okay. Now this, I'm going to take it off here. Take this off like this. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Love is eternal. I don't know if you could see that. There's like a glare. But it is pretty engraved, that little engraving there. And put this on. I like that you can tighten it with the strings. I'll figure that out in a bit. Now this talks about with the wings of Isis, being the left eye of Horus, the sun is. It's got all these sacred symbols that you can learn about, which is really neat. Let's put this aside. Now this bracelet, it says, let's see here. It sells for $25. It is gorgeous. I mean, look at that design. I don't know. Camera focus. There we go. I think it's trying to focus here. It is really beautiful. So yeah, I can see this 20, and they offer a coupon in here for 33% off anything at the Seed of Creation store where this is purchased. Let's see what else I got in here. Okay, we have Majestic Gold Shimmering Gold Bath Bomb. Oh, and it's shape of a pyramid. This is cool. That actually smells pretty nice. The little cute bath bomb pyramid. This is a hexed salt pyramid bath bomb. And it is $10, and it's sold at Hex Salt. Now, let's see here. Does it just says it's gonna fizz? It fizzes your bath. As it fizzes, your bath bomb will reveal a clear quartz treasure. So I guess there's a crystal inside here. That's cool. That is cool. This is good for like a ritual bath and a soothing self-comfort thing. That is neat. That is neat. Okay. Now I can see why it's $10 for the one, because there's a little prize inside. Because first I was like, $10 for one bath bomb? Like, that's a bit pricey, right? Ah, my hair is bothering me. Okay, so my hat. I'm having a hair catastrophe moment. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Hey, sorry about that. Now back to what's in here. We got all this crinkle grass stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. Now this, let's take it out of its plastic. This is a banded amethyst stone. This stone is known to open the third eye chakra, which, yeah, amethyst gets to do that. Use it when practicing the healing arts to strengthen your intuition and enhance your ability to receive and interpret spiritual insights. This little tumble stone crystal rock is $3. Did I read that correctly? $3.50. That's a little out there. 50 cents. Oh, it feels really nice to the touch, nice and cool, and it's really a pretty crystal. I do like this. I like amethyst. I have some, and that's nice to have. Now let's see what else I got in here. What is this? This is Kate's Magic Isis and Rebirth Anointing Oil, and this sells for $18. This is inspired by the Egyptian goddess of death and rebirth. The sacred blend will lure you into a present moment with the enchanting scent of vanilla and Moroccan rose. Huh. I'm not always really into the rose scents because they usually sometimes too strong. But let's bust this open and let's see if Dee has a bad reaction or not. Oh no, the vanilla balances us out so divinely. I like this scent. The rose is just not too overpowering, which is nice. Okay. Looks like we got some incense cones, and these are Soapy Lane frankincense. Oh, frankincense. Yeah, I should have known that. Whew. And this pack of cones is a $6 value. I do like burning incense cones. I have a nice little incense cone burner on my altar upstairs. Let's see what else we got in here. Drink flowers, be well. Wonderful flower antioxidants, naturally caffeine free, no artificial ingredients and flavors. Oh, I've drinking Blue Lotus before. And when I had a tea infuser I used to bring to work and had a little teapot, and I remember drinking it. This stuff is good. I haven't done so. So it's the key blue lotus flower infusion, known as the ancient Egyptian dream flower. This blossom was organically grown and handpicked during its fullest bloom to use in sacred ceremonies, steep as tea, or use in a facial steam to soak up the healing antioxidants. This can be really a nice tea. Just gonna put that out there. All right, and we just have one more item in here. Oh, okay. This is a 44 card set. Awaken the priestess, not the princess. Awaken the priestess within. That's more of a Disney moment here. This is the Isa Oracle by Alana Fairchild. Okay, I'm familiar with her. Let me see if I can open this up and we can bust this out and see what some of the cards look like. This is a $17 value. That makes sense. Yeah, that really does. That makes sense. All right, to wrap things up, we're first going to open up this. And this is a pocket edition. And it tells you how to use this deck. With a card here. Boom, boom. Instead of a booklet, it's all in this card. Oh, and it talks about other items they have. But look at, so we got, this is the abundance of Sothis. Let me see. These cards are a really nice card stock, I'm going to say. and shuffling is good, is pretty easy. And the imagery is really, I like this. And this is magic and ritual effect in the external world can be created through inner practice. Heart-centered ritual can support your inner path and the physical world. You are encouraged to enhance your power with regular practice as you grow in grace, love, ability, wisdom, applying your inner beauty to transform the outer world. Ooh, look at the this imagery is stunning. I like this little deck. Now, this is the pocket size, but this is a nice size for my hands. So these are like much bigger normally. There's just the imagery on here just wows me, and that's nice. I will probably pull this deck out. I'll probably use this in TikToks. I need to do one. I have been slacking on my TikTok, and I'm sorry, folks. I'm just, I've been very, very, very busy. Very busy. So let's wrap things up. So this box, oh, I forgot to mention this tea is $4.50, this flower. Okay. So we got that out. So we got that, and which is perfectly themed with this whole Egyptian box. Now this, the cones, frankincense, I love frankincense. It's really good with your rituals and burning and cleansing and just opening your mind. And I like this. So I like that a lot. This bracelet is really nice, and I do look forward to wearing it. I do. The bath bomb with the surprise quartz inside. That is neat. I think this is fun. This anointing oil, the vanilla and the Egyptian rose scent. Well, Moroccan rose. I see my mind is focused on Egypt here, folks. In fact, I was just watching some learning lesson thing on Cleopatra today. Okay, and we got a banded quartz. Amethyst. See, I can speak. Got this ISIS app, and then there is a download, and the download is actually worth $44. It's Serpent of Fire Ritual, but your it looks interesting. I think I'm going to download it. $44 value. That's like the app alone. So what we got here is, if with the app and all the stuff that we got in this box, the value would be $128. And if you minus the 33, that means we saved $95 on this package. Now, if you don't want to count the download, which I can understand why, you still got $84 worth of items, which is a deal of $51. That is a good savings. I like that, It's more than 50% off. This is good for me. And so this box, I do find it value this month. I do like what I have in here. I look forward to using these cards. I want to frame this. This is just stunning artwork, right? I can't wait to drink this. I might do this tonight. Just relax and calm myself. I have got to use this anointing oil. It is so good. This is like, I'll just keep sniffing. You guys are like, okay, Dee, you're all weird over there. I get it. I'm a little weird. But yeah, this was so much fun. And this bracelet, how cool. My wife will probably want to wear this, so we're going to have to fight over it, But that's the way we is. And I always could use more frankincense. So this is so good. Yay! This is such a cute box. Okay, we get to the point. I like the box. I say go for it. You can order a box individually. It does cost more, but I'm telling you, the monthly subscription is worth it. And I do really like the tools I get. So that's the wrap up. And if you like this video, remember to hit that subscribe and like button and share this video with others. And I got plenty of others and videos with Goddess Provision, so you can see other things they have. I have done Tamed Wild already this month. Today. You know what? Today feels like a Monday, but it's Tuesday. But my mind is like, ugh. I haven't finished a whole cup of coffee yet today. That's my problem. I need more coffee. So I'm going to go get some more coffee before I record the next video, which is going to be my top 10 Oracle card decks that I use the most and really enjoy. Now, this changes a lot because it just depends on the season and whatever I'm drawn to changes. But right now I have some really great Oracle decks I look forward to sharing with you.
The NB Network with Dee's Photo.